So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Genshin Impact in your PC and laptop for free in 2026. So how to do this? Let's get started. First, make sure you have Epic Games installed in your PC. If not, then what you have to do is open Google and any web browser you like. For my case I'm using Microsoft Edge. After coming to your browser, just search for Epic Games download and then click on the first link. Now what you have to do is click on this download button and it will start downloading. Just run the installer and install it in your PC. After that, you'll find this application. Just open Epic Games, log into your account, or if you don't have an account, just create an account and then go over to store and then search for Genshin. Here you'll find Genshin Impact. Just open this and then as you can see it is completely free here. Just click on get and it will say loading your order. And then as you can see it says in library. Just click on this and then here you'll see Genshin Impact. It will say install. Just click on this and it will say where do you have to install the game. Just select the directory and then hit install. After this your game should be installed and should be ready to play. So yes, this is how you can do it, guys. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.